We're constantly looking to improve and develop innovation within our industry. In the last 3 years, we've worked with Manchester University and Sheffield University on knowledge transfer partnerships, experimenting on our copper composition to eliminate the impurities, and the other one was with Sheffield Advanced Manufacturing Research Centre, looking to characterise our grinding processes. One particular innovation that we worked with at Manchester University and KTP Knowledge Transfer Partnership was if we could eliminate the impurities in our copper. We spent 3 years working with Manchester University, recruited a new chemist. We managed to reduce our oxygen impurities in copper to less than 5 parts per million.